Welcome to Integrity Data. In today's tutorial, we're going to go over the configuration of the dashboard, how to set up the widgets that you want to see on your dashboard. When you log in for the first time, you're going to be presented with a blank white screen. You'll hover your mouse over Dashboard and select My Dashboard Setup. To the left, you'll have the different items that you'll be able to select that you may want to see on your dashboard. If you don't intend on using schedules, then absent employee or schedule swap, late in, early out, those things are really not going to return any information to you on the dashboard, so they're not really necessary to select. I'm going to go ahead and select these last ones here. Click Save. My dashboard setup has been saved. I'm going to hover back over Dashboard and select My Dashboard. And now I can see the rest of the widgets that I just enabled. So my clock status, I'm able to see whether they're online or offline. All of these clocks are currently offline. My punch exceptions, these are the people that have missing punches. Approaching overtime. I can change this number of hours here if I want to see people with more hours or less hours. Anybody over 29 hours, I would be able to see that they're getting close to overtime. Pending time off requests, the employees that have requested time off through the app. My overtime by org level. Org levels are things like division, department, job, step, task, things like that. Early out, if somebody clocked out early. Upcoming PTO. We can see that Lois has PTO coming up on the 19th. Any employees that are absent, of course, who's in, late in, anniversaries, their hire dates to see who might have a hire date coming up, who's out on lunch, any swap requests, and my quick reports. So this is how to set up your dashboard and the individual items that comprise the dashboard. Thank you for watching.